Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your smart home hub with Samsung SmartThings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your current smart home hub is compatible with Samsung SmartThings. Power off your existing smart home hub and disconnect it from the network. Take note of all devices currently connected to your old hub. Gather all necessary equipment, including your new Samsung SmartThings hub. Unbox the Samsung SmartThings hub and familiarize yourself with its ports and features. Connect the SmartThings hub to a power source. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the hub to your router for a stable internet connection. Wait for the LED indicator on the hub to turn solid green, indicating it's ready to set up. Download the Samsung SmartThings app on your smartphone or tablet from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in with your Samsung account, or create a new account if necessary. Tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of your screen. Select Add Device to start the setup process. Choose SmartThings Hub from the list of device options. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your hub to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, the app will prompt you to set up your smart home environment. Carefully follow the prompts to add your existing devices to the new SmartThings Hub. If devices have specific instructions, ensure to follow them to add each device successfully. Customize your automations and routines within the SmartThings app as needed. Test each connected device to confirm they respond as expected. Adjust settings within the app for optimal performance and convenience. Explore the SmartThings ecosystem for additional compatible devices and features. Review and update any security settings to enhance your smart home safety. Finally, enjoy the enhanced connectivity and control of your upgraded smart home setup with Samsung SmartThings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.